Spring break is finally here, and before we head to Savannah, I wanted to slow down and reset. End of the quarter is always exhausting. Grading, deadlines, meetings. And as a teacher, I realized I didn't want to start spring break rushing into another busy schedule. Before we leave Charlotte, I decided to take a little slow reset. A few days to get done what I needed to get done and spend time with my family, as well as some quality alone time. And honestly, I didn't expect how much I needed it.
Mommy.
This spring break started quietly, right here in Charlotte.
Mommy.
No rushing, no big plans yet, just slowing down. The end of the quarter always takes a lot out of me. Teaching, planning, grading, momming, lifing, wifing, doing all the things, being all the things to all the people, constantly pouring into others. And when spring break finally came, I didn't want to jump straight into travel mode. I wanted to slow down first, rest, be present. I wanted to start off by resetting the house. So that when we returned from our vacation, we returned to a nice, clean house and didn't have to come back from vacation and go right into regular, schmegular life. And one thing that helped me to do this was to set my timer in each space. So this motivated me to clean quicker and get it done, and actually showed me how much time I needed and optimize my time so I can get all the areas clean that I wanted to get clean. Get some areas done before my timer went off. The main areas that needed a little The main areas that needed a little zhuzhing up were the living room, the kitchen, and of course folding laundry. The bane of my existence.
Working hard, we ain't having no hope. Go.
Of course, going on vacation, we're gonna spend some quality time together, but I wanted to spend some time with the girls at home in Charlotte before we left for our spring break vacation. Sometimes the quiet moments at home are the ones that reset you the most. I enjoy just watching them be, live, exist in their own environment. And soon we'll be heading to Savannah for spring break. But first, I'm letting myself breathe. Of course, I had to do some packing. I wanted to get ahead of the game. So a few days before we left, I started laying out the girls' outfits, running through my mind of what I wanted to pack. And then I put their luggage together. So when it came time for the trip, all I really had to pack was their toiletries. And I was sure that they had everything that they needed. I did forget Harper's pajamas though.
Working hard, we ain't having no hope. Like I look like a charm. 50 rest on the arm. A tsunami, a storm. I stay fly, I was airborne. But these hoes like it's pouring. I get higher than the Osborne. On the couch if it's torn. Getting money is so important. Niggas thought I was done. I can go on and I crack up and start soaring. My heart is torn. Shoot a movie like Barry Gordon. A star was born. My little wrist like a damn storm. My life full of fun. And I'm one of my hoes born. She never by the time. Motion than more alarm. And these jeans with a gun. Cause with me it's a whole war. Ain't finished or done. We got some, but we come to get more. Hey, 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 hey. Designer head to toe. I sit to the head and float. Already fed the poke. Niggas too scared to go. I couldn't like hands and soap. Get a meat, let it drag on the floor. It's a nine in the bed that I told. Working hard, we ain't having no hope. Go. Hey, 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 I sit to the head and float. I already fed the poke. Niggas too scared to go. Hey, 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 hey. I couldn't like hands and soap. Get a meat, let it drag on the floor. It's a nine in the bed that I told.
This is my spring break reset before the adventure begins. I'm already on the adventure right now as I'm recording this stuff. And I'm excited for what's ahead. So if you enjoyed this reset video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, go ahead and click that subscribe button and join the family. You've already watched this far, and I know you want to see what happens on our trip to Savannah. So go ahead and subscribe so you can see when I post those videos. I'm going to Savannah with my husband. He has a work conference, and it was during our spring break. So I'm like, duh, you're not leaving us home by ourselves. We're gonna go have fun in Savannah too. We've actually been to Savannah before. We came for my birthday and Harper's birthday in October. We share the same birthday. So I was like, let's go back to Savannah and do some of the things that we didn't get to do the first time that we were here. So I plan on vlogging the trip, sharing with you all the things that me and the girls do together, the places that we go, experiencing traveling with children, being a conference wife, you know, all of the things. So go ahead and subscribe so you can see when those videos come up, all right? And also, of course, I had to do my own little spring break glow up. That's coming soon too, y'all. Go subscribe. You don't want to miss all this good content. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.